Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS Sedan has been named the Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025, setting a new benchmark in the realm of electric vehicles, EVs, with its unmatched blend of opulence, performance, and advanced technology. As Mercedes-Benz flagship electric sedan, the EQS embodies the pinnacle of luxury and innovation, showcasing the brand's commitment to redefining the electric driving experience. Ultimate elegance and comfort. The 2024 EQS sedan is a masterpiece of design, featuring a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette that emphasizes its modern, high-tech character. The EQS's exterior is highlighted by a striking front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a low, flowing profile that enhances its presence on the road. Inside, the EQS offers an unparalleled level of luxury, with a cabin that exudes sophistication and comfort. The interior is adorned with premium materials such as Napa leather, natural wood, and brushed aluminum, creating a serene and plush environment. The EQS is equipped with the embodies Hyperscreen, a massive 56-inch curved display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger display, providing an immersive and intuitive user experience. Powerful performance and impressive range. Under the hood, the 2024 EQS sedan delivers exceptional performance. The EQS 584 Matic variant boasts dual electric motors producing a combined 516 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. The EQS offers a smooth and refined ride, with adaptive air suspension that ensures both comfort and dynamic handling. The sedan also excels in range, providing up to 350 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both daily commutes and long-distance travel. Fast charging capability allows for quick top-ups, enhancing convenience and usability. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 EQS sedan is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced technologies. The embodies Hyperscreen provides a visually stunning and user-friendly interface, while the car's driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and active steering, ensuring a safe and secure driving experience. The EQS also offers innovative features such as automatic parking and a 360-degree camera system for added convenience. Commitment to sustainability. Mercedes-Benz's dedication to sustainability is evident in the EQS's design and production. The vehicle incorporates eco-friendly materials and is manufactured with a focus on reducing environmental impact. The EQS aligns with the brand's vision for a greener future while delivering top-tier luxury and performance. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS sedan's blend of exquisite design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology has rightfully earned it the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025. As the electric vehicle market continues to evolve, the EQS sets a new standard for luxury and innovation, offering an exceptional driving experience for those who demand the best in both sophistication and sustainability.